Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and review of a case I purchased on AliExpress for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Okay then, so despite having finished our review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, I've carried on using it. It is still a really good smartphone, nice big screen, amazing battery life, so it's something that I've carried on using. And after a while I've decided it's time for a bit of a change to the case. And so I've decided to purchase this dark green pleather case on AliExpress. Now, the case is pretty simple. It's a more hard TPU on the back and a softer silicone bumper around the sides, and the back of the device is plastic leather. So it has a bit of a soft touch, it has a bit of give to it, but it feels nice to hold. And I thought that would be a good way to protect my Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, which I'm still using on a daily basis at the moment. So what I'm going to do is pop the Redmi Note 9S into the case. It fits perfectly. And let's have a look through the device and see how it performs. So the case has a little lanyard loop here where you can pop a lanyard through if that's something you wish to do. It has a cutout for the power button and fingerprint reader, and it works perfectly well, as you can see. And the volume rocker, let's see, this is often where devices fall down or win. And yes, this is perfectly good. It works well, volume up and down, no issues there. There's no cutouts on the left hand side. At the top we have a cutout for the infrared blaster and the microphone hole, and at the bottom all the cutouts you'd expect. So there's one for the Courage port, the 3.5mm audio jack for earphones, the USB Type-C port, a microphone hole, and the speaker grill. So as far as cases go, this is feeling really, really good. It's a little bit slippery because of the pleather. It's not as soft as some of the cloth cases I've been using previously, but it feels good. It doesn't add much in terms of bulk to the phone when you're using it, and it raises that camera module up slightly. So if you're putting the phone back down on a surface, you will have a little bit of clearance between the case and the camera module. So that's pretty much all I was expecting from this case. This case is extremely affordable at well under £2 sterling on AliExpress. We'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase this. And if you'd like to know anything more, please feel free to leave us a comment in the section below. But for now, thanks for watching this video, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We're having a bit of a blitz at the moment, and at the moment we're releasing a video of a phone case review in the morning and a standard Tech Travel Geeks video in the afternoon. So be sure to be subscribed, tap that notification button, and you'll be notified whenever we publish a new video. Thanks again for watching, and goodbye.